Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mousetrap Genius. We're here today surrounded by plants to talk about watering globes. We're going to talk about what they don't do, what you can use them for, and how to troubleshoot them if you have a problem. So what don't they do? Well, you'll often see watering globes or watering orbs marketed online as something that will save you a lot of work and allow you to only water your plants once in a long while. Well, that's just not really true. These things will keep your plants watered for a week, maybe 2 weeks, depending on the size of your plant, its moisture needs, and the type of soil that it's in. But at the end of the day, they won't be the kind of thing that you can just go away on a month-long vacation, come back and have everything be fine. And I think you'll also realize that filling one of these up with water at your sink and then placing it in your plant takes about the same amount of time, or maybe even a little more time, than just watering your plants the old-fashioned way with a watering can or cup or whatever. So if these don't save a whole bunch of time and they aren't something that you can use to water your plants less often, what are they good for? Well, these are excellent at keeping the moisture content in your plant or in the pot that your plant is in consistent. And that is great for certain sensitive plants. Some plants love this cycle of being flooded or inundated with water when you water them, and then being allowed to dry out almost completely before they're watered again. Other plants hate this, and you'll see them wilt when they get towards the end of that cycle, and then maybe have some other problems when they're at the beginning of the cycle, right when you water them and flood them with water. So what a watering globe or a watering orb can do is release water at a very consistent rate and keep the soil that your plant is in just moist, not flooded, but moist over a period of time between when you fill it up. Now, one issue that you may find with these is that they can get clogged when you press them down into the soil. And this may be a problem depending on what type of soil you're using with your plants. One easy workaround for that is if you stick a pencil or a pen down in and then you insert the watering globe afterwards. You may not always have to do that, but that's something that works when you have that problem. So, watering globes. We know what they don't do, and now you know what they can be used for. If this is something that you think your plants could benefit from, we'll go ahead and throw a link to them on Amazon down in the video description. And this is straight to the same set that I've owned for nearly a year and been using periodically off and on through that time without any issues. Go ahead and subscribe to Mousetrap Genius if you want to see more great videos, and don't forget to click the little bell icon to receive notifications and make sure that notifications are enabled on your device if you actually want to see more of our videos. If you don't, that's fine. Just don't click the bell, but subscribe either way, no matter what. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Mousetrap Genius. We hope that you found it helpful, and I hope that you have a great, consistently moist day. I'm sorry if you hate the word moist, because some people do, and I've used it a number of times in this video, which has been very moist. Sorry.